5 AI tools every beginner affiliate should be using now. Make more money in your online business by using these 5 tools. In this video, I'll show you the 5 must-have AI tools every beginning online marketer should know. First, let's talk about the challenges new affiliates face. New affiliates often struggle with strategy and efficiency. The right tools can alleviate this stress and drive success. The first tool on our list is an AI-powered keyword research tool. This tool helps you identify the best keywords to target. Most tools can give you a list of hundreds of keywords for your niche. Next is an AI content generator. This tool creates unique articles, product descriptions, and social media posts in just minutes. The third tool is an AI-based email marketing platform. It can send out pre-written emails automatically. You'll increase your engagement and conversions effortlessly. Fourth, chatbots for customer support. These AI bots respond instantly to inquiries, improving customer satisfaction. Finally, we have an analytics tool that uses AI for insights. This tool tracks your traffic and other important stats. It helps you adapt your strategy to maximize profits. Bonus tool: Marie Grove's GPTs. These AI tools, part of the Marie Grove method, can do everything from finding a niche to creating a funnel. You can access a free GPT by clicking the link in the description below. Now, take action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights.